How to log into dayforcehcm.com. What's up, it's Tech Basis. I will be guiding you how easily you can log into dayforcehcm.com. So without delay, let's get started. Step 1. Access dayforcehcm.com. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to dayforcehcm.com. Step 2. Locate the login section. Once on the home page, look for the login button usually located at the top right corner. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your username or employee ID or password in the provided fields. Step 4. Complete the security verification if required. Some accounts may have additional security measures such as two-factor authentication if prompt. Step 5. Access your account. After entering your credentials and completing any necessary security verification, click on the login or submit button to access your dayforcehcm.com account, and you will be logged into dayforcehcm.com. Elevate your business with Dayforce all-in-one HCM. If this video was helpful, press that like button and hit the subscribe button to keep up with us.